Oh, I was like, oh, he's probably doing it.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, good. What's going on?
Nothing much. Just shooting a video for my clients
Oh, okay.
so they can see this beautiful space. Hey, beautiful lady, can you help me with the door?
Of course.
Can you just let me in?
Sure.
And this is the front of the building. And this is how you get in. And we're about to show you the apartment right now, or the condo. So you come right in. You saw where your mailbox was. And now, this is the condo. And this is it right here. There's your view. Let's go to see where the bedroom's at. Let's check out the bathroom. Hey, it's me, guys. How you doing? In this grand bedroom. With the closets. Well, everything can't be perfect now, can it?
Okay, I'm gonna go show my son this.